Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the value of x? And we have given one figure here. We know that pair of adjacent angles whose measures add up to form a straight angle is known as linear pair, and that will have common sides and common vertex. Pair of adjacent angles whose measures add up to form a straight angle is known as linear pair. And angles in linear pair are supplementary. Angles in linear pair are supplementary angles. Now here we can observe angle BDA and angle BDC are formed at P. So angle BDA and angle BDC are adjacent angles. And they are supplementary. We know that angles are known as supplementary angles if they adds to 180 degree. That is, angle BDA plus angle BDC equals to angle ADC, which is 180 degree. So substituting values here, we get 2x plus 7 plus 5x minus 9 equals to 180 degree. Now solving this, here 2x plus 5x is 7x, so it will be 7x minus 2 equals to 180 degree. Now add 2 to both the sides, we get 7x equals to 182 degree. Divide both the sides by 7, we get x equals to 182 by 7 means 26 degree. Hence, measure of x is 26 degree. From available options, we have option A as 26 degree.